So students, today we'll learn about a very good concept, perimeter. So perimeter is a combination of two words. So one is peri, another is meter. So peri means outer side, and meter means to measure. So perimeter means measuring the outer side of a figure. Measuring the outer side of a figure. So perimeter means the total length of the boundary of a closed figure. So figure should be closed. Okay, now I will see this one by a good example. So this is a closed figure. This is a closed figure, and this is the boundaries or outer side. How many boundaries are there? How many sides of this figure are there? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 figures are there. So these are the 8 figures are there in these questions. So in this figure there are 8 sides are there. There are 8 sides are there, starting from 5 to 18. Starting from 5 to 18, 5 to 18, 8 figures are there. So how to find out the perimeter? P for perimeter. So P equal to how much? I am starting from 5. I am starting the calculation from 5. 5, then 9, 10, 9, then again 5, 18, 20, and ending of calculation is 18. So after adding all of these, I got the result as 94. I got the result as 94. So 94 is your required answer. 94 is your required answer of this figure. Similarly, this is the homework for you, homework questions for you. Find out the perimeter of this figure. Okay, perimeter of this figure and perimeter of this figure. Okay, my friends. So here it is given 3 centimeter. This side is 3 centimeter. This side is your 3 centimeter. Okay. So 3, 5, 7, 3, here 5, 13, 3, here again 5, 7, 5, 3, 13. So this is the figure. You should find out the perimeter of this figure. So you learn about how to find out the perimeter of any given figure. So what to do? Add all the sides. Now we will learn about the perimeter of some special figures. So first one is how to find out the perimeter of a square. How to find out the perimeter of a square. How to find out the perimeter of a square. So a square is a figure whose all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. So here it is a figure of a square. So a square of side 2 centimeter. All sides are 2 centimeter and each angle is 90 degree. So perimeter basic formula is what? Add all the sides. Add all the sides. After adding all the sides, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 4 2s are there. As 4 2 are added 4 times, so I can write 4 into 2. 4 times means into, times, times means we have to multiply. So as 4 2 are added to each other, so I can write 4 into 2, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So perimeter of square equal to 4 into side. Another example, in question given, find out the perimeter of a square of side 3 centimeter, like this given. Okay, you have to make a figure like this, and or directly you can put the formula. So perimeter of a square equal to how much? PS means perimeter of a square. So 4 into side. So 4 side is equal to 3 centimeter. Sorry, 3 meter. So 4 into 3 equal to 12 meter. So this is about a perimeter of a square. Now we'll go perimeter of a rectangle. So before going to rectangle, we should know about what is about rectangle. What is a rectangle actually? So rectangle are the quadrilaterals whose opposite sides are equal. So see, and all angles are 90 degree. So it is a quadrilateral whose opposite sides are equal. So it is 13, here also 13 opposite sides, here it is 10 meter, here also 10 meter. So how to know what is length and what is breadth? Let one student A is sitting here. Here a student A is sitting and he is seeing the rectangle towards this direction, like this seeing. So for A can see this length first. I can see this side first. This side, this 13 meter side can be seen by A. So which side A sees first, that is length for A, and which side he cannot see, this side he cannot see, that is breadth. Similarly, B first sees 10 meter. So for B, this 10 meter is length and this 13 meter is breadth. Understood? Very easy. Which side you see first in a rectangle case, only for rectangle, this side we see which is shown by you first, that is your length, and other is breadth. Similarly here B sees the side 10 meter first, so for this 10 meter is length for B and this one is breadth. As this 13 meter is seen first by A, so this is the length for A and 10 meter is the breadth for A. So very good concept. Now we'll go to how to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. It is a rectangle of three opposite side, another side through two opposite side. So I can write according to basic formula, add all the sides starting from 2 meter here. So 2 plus 3, again 2 plus 3. So how many 2's are there? Here 1 2, here 1 2. Taking closer all the 2's and again taking closer all the 3. Like this I can write 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. So how many 2 are added? 2 are added. How many times? 2 times. So I can write 2 into 3. Similarly, here 2 into 3. Here our, not 3 into 3, this is 2 into 3. This is your 2 into 3 because 3 is multiplied how many times? 2 times. So 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3. So how much came? What is this 2? Friends, what is this 2? This 2 is nothing but, okay, for this B, if I am seeing like this, it is the length, and if I am seeing like this, if I see like this, so this is the length and this is breadth. If I see like this 3 centimeters is length and 2 centimeters is breadth. So this is the concept. So I taken 2 as length, okay. So 2 into 2 equal to how much? 4, and 2 into 3 equal to how much? 6. So 4 plus 6 equal to how much? 10. So this is our perimeter of a rectangle. 2 length plus 2 breadth. So length and breadth are two relative concepts. How you see from which direction, like that is your length and breadth. If you are seeing like this direction, this is the length. If you are seeing this direction, and this is your length and other is your breadth. So rectangle perimeter formula equal to how much? 2 length into 2 breadth. So what is the formula of rectangle perimeter? Perimeter rectangle formula is 2 length and 2 breadth. 2 into length, 2 into breadth. Okay friends, so now we will do some exercise questions. So this is the homework for you. These questions are homework for you. So find out the perimeter. Okay, so in this question you to find out the perimeters, and here friends perimeter given, and you have to find out the missing sides. You have to find out the missing sides. Okay, so these are the homeworks for you. Thank you.